friends, welcome back to Neffy Crafts and Scraps. I am back today with a 12 by 12 layout using this lovely collection here. It is called Crafternoon and it is by Kaiser Craft. I ordered this collection from the Emma's Peppery shop, and really it's all about crafting. It's got a lot of fun details. I like the soft colors in it. But it doesn't just necessarily refer to scrapbooking crafting. You can see in some of the papers how there's a little bit of different variations to the crafting type of memories you can document with it. I'm going to be crafting the image I shared earlier, which was just a quick little shot of my current crafty space. I always like to scrap my crafty space, and it's a fun way to just keep the memories of how much it has evolved and grown. And so I'm going to be starting off by taking all the bottom strips of all the 12 by 12 papers in this collection, and I really wanted to use these because they all have fun quotes. So if you've ever purchased Kaiser Craft items, you'll notice that all the bottom strips have quotes. So it's actually really fun, and I occasionally use them in my collection, but the last few times that I've picked up Kaiser Craft collections, I've realized that they all have the quotes, and I just thought that today would be the perfect time to use it, considering it has a lot of fun just phrases on crafting and being creative. I'm going to be working on a 12 by 12 sheet today, as I mentioned before, and I'm going to be just basically working horizontally, as you can see here. I'm going to use the full width of my 12 by 12 sheet, and I will let you guys enjoy the process. If I think that I need to pop in, I will. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any questions at all, you can always leave me a comment below, and enjoy the rest of this process.